In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Language and Input. Then tap on Keyboard and hit Theme. Now tap on Show More at the bottom right corner of Colors section to see all available themes. After locating the perfect one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting and customize it, go back to the same settings. And this time use this plus icon under my themes. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!